Sophie Elizabeth Cunningham, born August 16, 1996, is an American professional basketball player for the Indiana Fever of the Women's National Basketball Association WNBA. She played college basketball for the Missouri Tigers. Sophie Elizabeth Cunningham was born August 16, 1996, to Jim and Paula Cunningham. Her parents were both student athletes at the University of Missouri in Columbia, along with other members of her family. Sophie Cunningham attended Rock Bridge High School in the city, starring on the girls' basketball and volleyball teams. When the kicker on the football team had an ACL tear ending her season, she joined the football team as the kicker as well, going to 4 4-on-FG attempts. On January 31, 2025, Cunningham was traded to the Indiana Fever in a 4-team trade, which also included the Dallas Wings and Connecticut Sun. Cunningham has earned recognition as the Fever's enforcer after she was ejected from a game against the Connecticut Sun for grabbing J.C. Sheldon and pulling her to the ground in retribution for Sheldon poking teammate Caitlin Clark in the eye earlier in the game. The incident went viral. In the second quarter of the Fever's matchup at Connecticut on August 17th, Cunningham left the game with a right knee injury after Connecticut's Sun guard, Bria Hartley, stumbled into the paint and fell into Cunningham's leg. On August 19th, the Fever said that Cunningham would be out for the remainder of the Fever's season due to her right knee injury. She confirmed reports saying she tore her right MCL. On the August 19th episode of her podcast, Show Me Something, for the season, she had 80 to field goals, 51 three-pointers, 40 to free throws, 105 rebounds, and 29 steals. On April 12, 2026, it was announced that Cunningham had re-signed with the Fever. During a June 22nd game against the Phoenix Mercury, Caitlin Clark was called for a technical foul after getting wrapped up with ex-Fever player and teammate Duenna Bonner. After Clark's foul was called, Cunningham asked the referees why Bonner did not also receive a foul, pointing at her. Bonner told Cunningham to stop pointing at her, and both players were called for technical fouls. Cunningham continued to point at Bonner for over 20 seconds until she was ushered back to her team's bench. Cunningham's pointing later became a meme. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.